Hello, my beautiful people. Alright, so today we're going to make lemon pepper chicken. We're going to start by cleaning 3 packs of chicken. As you can see, we are putting all of the chicken in a bowl and we are going to wash it really good with water and lemon. So you're going to want to trim off any extra fat and skin. If you don't have a pair of kitchen shears, I definitely recommend you go and get you some. They come in handy, I'm trying to tell you. So here I am cutting 3/4 of butter. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in a bowl. Throw it in the microwave for 1 minute. My mom is drying off the chicken. So you're going to go ahead and throw your chicken into a pan. And this was enough to feed 8 people, by the way. So once again, like I told you in my last video, if you are making a smaller amount, just go ahead and cut everything in half. Okay, so we're about to go ahead and pour that melted butter over the chicken. And then squeeze some lemon over it as well. Okay, and mix it up really good. Get that butter and lemon all over that chicken. Alright, so this part was a little bit difficult, as you can see. I was having a hard time, I don't know what you call that, tying the chicken, folding, I don't know. And it didn't help that it was nice and greasy from the butter. But yeah, you're going to want to put the wing behind the leg, I guess. Alright, so it's time for that good old garlic. So anyone who prefers fresh garlic, feel free to go ahead and use that instead. But we love minced garlic in our family. So we went ahead and added some of that garlic juice and about 1 big tablespoon of garlic. And you're gonna want to spread that garlic around all over the chicken. So this dish only calls for 1 seasoning, and that is lemon pepper seasoning. We love the Kroger lemon pepper seasoning. It tastes amazing. You don't need any salt. You don't need anything except this one seasoning. And as you can see, we used a lot of it. You gotta make sure your chicken is fully covered in that seasoning, being that that's the only seasoning you're using. So once you are done seasoning your chicken on one side, go ahead and flip those babies over and do the other side. Okay, so when you are done seasoning your chicken, go ahead and put the lid on and throw it in the oven. Your oven should be set at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to cook it for an hour and 20 minutes with the lid on. After that, you're going to remove the lid and put it back in the oven for another 20 to 30 minutes. The whole time the chicken is cooking, make sure you're basting it. It's so important. You need to be doing this every 20 to 30 minutes the whole time. That way your chicken remains moist and tender. And there you have it. OMG, don't it look good? Oh boy. It was wonderful. Alright guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy your lemon pepper chicken.